everybody. We have Mr. Jabate Adama, your teacher of English. Today, we want to try to answer about some questions concerning a text. The title is Disadvantages of Playing Video Games. It's about TAL, Série TAL. And now you pass about the reading. Text. Disadvantages of playing video games. Games have become part of our daily lives, and admit it or not, your day won't be complete without playing your favorite diversion. However, parents need to keep an eye on their children while playing games. Yes, game addiction may not be as harmful as alcohol or drug addiction, but game addiction is still a type of addiction. Today, almost everyone has their own personal computer and video consoles. Children today are more attached to games compared to television. The internet provides them with thousands of games to choose from and can vary from educational to developing problem-solving skills and even becoming a criminal. Although this is just a play, our children still need proper guidance when it comes to violent reactions. Aside from violence, another disadvantage of being addicted to games is that they are becoming very addicted to game up to the point that they will even skip school just to play their favorite match. Some people will even skip meals just to play, while we all know is not good for one's health. The recent World Health surveys show that the number of obesity is increasing, especially, and the number one reason for this is gaming. People who are too attached with games forget about their health. They stop exercising and eat junk foods while playing. The worst part is some people are too addicted with this recreation that they forget about the difference of real life and in-game life. And this is the result why there are children who are performing out of these world acts. If you don't want this thing to happen to your children, you need to guide them and limit their time for playing games. Although this game may be helpful for them sometimes, the risk of them getting addicted to game are too high, and you, as a parent, should be responsible for their health and well-being. That is about the reading. And now you want to pass about the different question. Big one, reading comprehension questions. Big A, multiple choice questions. Copy the complete sentence containing the correct answer. Parents have to their children when they play game. The first possibility, number A, neglect. B, respect. C, follow. D, encourage. Number 2, children should get when it comes to violence recreations. A, punish it. Advice, criminal, problem. And if you try to see here, a first part, parents have to follow. The best answer is number C, follow. Parents have to follow their children when they play games. Number 2, Children should get advice when it's become to violent reactions. I repeat, children should get advice when it's come to violent reaction. True or false? Copy the true sentences and correct the false ones. The addiction to game is as dangerous as the addiction to drugs and alcohol. 2. Children addicted to video games never give out school for the games. 3. People addicted to game do not always take care of their health. 4. Children should get their parents and limit their time of playing games. First, 1. The addiction to game may not be. So when you see here, the addiction to game is as dangerous as the addiction to drug and alcohol is not true. The correct form is the addiction to game may not be as dangerous as the addiction to drug and alcohol. Number 2, children addicted to video game often or sometimes give out school for games. Number 3, people addicted to game do not always take care of their health. Number 4, parents should give their children and limit their time for playing games. That is about true or false. And here, Big C, answer the following questions based on the text. How can our day be if we play our favorite games? Number 2, what do we obtain with the internet? Number 3, what does addiction to games cause to health? Number 4, what role should parents play to prevent their children from getting addicted to games? And now, number 1, the answer is, if we play our favorite game, our day will be complete. I repeat, if we play our favorite games, our day will be complete. Number 2, with the internet, we obtain thousands of games. I repeat, with the internet, we obtain thousands of games. Number 3, addiction to games causes obesity, or if you want, bad health. Addiction to games causes obesity or bad health. Number 4, the role of parents should play is to prevent their children from getting addicted to game, is to give them and limit their time of playing. And after that, Big 2, language. Big A, copy down each word from list on the left with one from the right so as to make pairs of synonyms. Big A1 and Big A2 provides Big A1, favorites, disadvantage, happen. Big A2, drawback, occur, supply with, preferred. The synonym of provide is supply with. The synonym of favorite is preferred. The synonym of disadvantage is drawback. The synonym of happen is occur. And Big B, fill in the blanks with should, rather than, would rather than, would better, had rather than. Fanta, stop playing game and prepare an exam. I play game, do mathematics. My mother thinks I learn my lesson regularly. You tell her the truth since the beginning, continue that way with her. The correction is Fanta had better stop playing game and prepare an exam. Fanta had better stop playing games and prepare an exam. Number 2, I would rather play video game than do mathematics. I would rather play video games than do mathematics. Number 3, my mother thinks I had better learn my lesson regularly. My mother thinks I had better learn my lessons regularly. 4, you had rather tell her the truth since the beginning that continue that way with her. You had better tell her the truth since the beginning that continue that way with her. Big C is concern function. Ali wants to use his father's car to go to play video games at a PlayStation. As a candidate for the baccalaureate exam, his father does not agree with him. Build up a dialogue between Ali and his father. Here, Ali, can you lend me your car to go to play video game at the PlayStation? Ali's father, I'm sorry, you need to prepare your Big D. Translate into English. De nos jours, les jeunes aiment beaucoup aller à des soirées dansantes le week-end. Malheureusement, ces soirées se terminent le plus souvent par des incidents. On demande de traduire ça en anglais. Today, here we have two possibilities. On a deux possibilités. Today ou bien nowadays. Today or nowadays, young people like very much going to dancing parties on weekend. Unfortunately, those dancing parties often end in incidents. Translated into French. Game has become part of our daily lives, and admits it or not, your day won't be complete without playing your favorite diversion. However, parents need to keep an eye on their children while playing games. La traduction en français. Les jeux sont partie intégrante de notre vie quotidienne. Que vous l'acceptez ou pas, votre journée ne serait pas complète sans jouer à votre jeu favori. Cependant, les parents ont besoin de garder un œil sur leurs enfants tout en jouant. That is about translation. And here, the last part is about composition. Composition is composed of two topics: essay and postcards.